welcome to the channel. On today's video I want to show you guys if you facing a problem that you record something on your Android phone, especially Xiaomi, and then you want to upload it to NotebookLM, you couldn't see the file. So I really love the feature that we could upload on NotebookLM sources of sources of audio. For instance, I will open this notebook and then click sources, and then if I add a source, we have the audio option. That's very nice. I love it because no need to transcribe. The notebook LM already transcribe it for you. So if you do the recording using your phone, especially for Xiaomi, for instance, no, I mean this particular app recorder, which is very good as well. And then if you found after your recording, you have to save first your recordings, because if you're not save, it's still on the app. It's already on your phone, but it keeps on this some folder inside this app. What we want is the file could be accessed to the notebook LM. So after you record, what you have to do, press and hold on your recordings and then click this save as. Click save as, and then it will be redirected to your explorer like this, and then you can click use this folder up here. Okay, use this folder on down below here. Okay, after that you can go back to your notebook LM, and it's supposed to be your audio already there, exactly where you save the audio file. So by default, the folder is recordings. So this is very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.